Yes, guys. Yes. So, look what's happening. Look what's happening. Amazing. Let me first open the trade here. Yep. This one is 100% going up. If my prediction is right, I'm making $430. If my prediction is wrong, I'm losing $500. Guys, the strategy that I'm using here is simple. Everything that I'm using here is explained in the course in the description below. Even if you don't know nothing about what's happening here, in the course, I'm sharing with you everything I learned over the years. I will teach you what is trading on iqoption, how to trade on iqoption, how to deposit money, all the indicators used here. Everything is explained in the course in the description below. The indicators I'm using here, how to use them my way, not the as described in the description of this indicators. No, my own strategy. Yeah, so I made $430. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So. Yeah, my prediction was right. I made $430. All right. So yeah, I know the colors of the next, at least the next 7 candles. Yeah, the next 7 candles. Yep. Let's go. This one is going up. This one is 100% going up. No, it's not a red candle. Look. So for those who already got my strategy and know my strategy, you know what's happening here. So look, and then look this one, look this one, and look this one. Amazing, right? This one is 100%. You know already that this one is going up. So guys, the strategy is simple but need a lot of practice. I want you to put a lot of effort on the strategy. Practice on demo account. Practice. Never use your money before you are 100% sure that you are going to make a lot of money. Never use your real money. Use demo account. That's it. Let me see. All right, this one is going up also. No, this not necessarily going up. It can be a red candle, but this red candle can be profitable if it's smaller red candle. All right, so this one is also going up. Hopefully it's also going up. Yeah, let's go. All right. Yep, $430 if I'm winning, if my prediction is right, and hopefully yeah, we are going to make $430. Yeah, by the way guys, this is a simulation of what is possible to be done. Yeah, we made $440. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option trading. All right, binary option trading. This is possible since, yeah, this is possible if you keep trading, or if you keep practicing and learning. You once you learn, you master the strategy, you can make the same results, but not as soon as you got the course or you got the strategy. You need to practice a lot. This is a simulation of what is possible. All these videos on this channel are a simulation of what is possible. You are not going to make the same results from day one. You need to spend a lot of time on demo account. You will lose a lot of money on demo account, and once you master strategy, then you can make some profit. But this is a simulation. This is not a result guarantee. This result is not guaranteed. Sorry. Great, let's go. So we had this trend. Let me see. All right, this one, this could be a red candle, sorry, a green candle, but fortunately I opened here at this level. So this level, even a green candle, I'm going to make a win. Even with the green candle, I'm going to make a win. Yep. Still 2 seconds. Yeah, last second. See, last seconds. So that's why I told you to be disciplined. I need you to avoid panicking. Never panic when you are trading on IQ option or pocket option or binary option. When you are trading forex, crypto, I don't know, stocks, you need to avoid panicking. Never panic. Yeah, one of the rules. The first rule is to have a good strategy. So you need to have a good strategy. The second rule is to respect the rules from this strategy. The third rule is to avoid emotions. Never use emotions. Never use your emotions. And the third and the most important rule is never panic. Because once you panic, all these candles, there is some people lost money here, lost money here, lost money here, lost money here. And you know who lost money here? The ones who panicked. The ones who panicked, sold, those are the ones who lost money. And the ones who are making money is those who control their emotions. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to control your emotion. Yep. I guess we still have two. Yeah. We still have two candles. Two beautiful candles. All right. This one, the next one, and perhaps another one. Perhaps, I'm not sure. Perhaps another one. So this one is going 100% going up. Here the market is going up. And I guess the next one also is going up. Next one, and perhaps the next one, the last one. Yeah, as you can see, we still have some seconds, few seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah. I made $430. $430. Amazing. Let's open the last candle. Let's see. Let's open the last candle here. All right. The last candle. My prediction is telling me that this candle is going down. Amazing. If my prediction is right, guys, I'm making $430. If my prediction is wrong, I'm losing $500. So as you can see, we started with $237,000, and now we are at $240,000. Yeah, my prediction is right. $240,000. Yup. Let's go. Amazing. So yeah.